you ready to build a thriving membership site that generates $2,000 per month without spending a dime upfront?
Memberships are a good way to build a monthly recurring income.
Here is how you can achieve this. Find a free membership platform such as Discord. This site can also be set up for online courses, adding discussion channels and hosting live webinars. Next, define your niche. You should be able to answer what is your content, who it is for, and why it will matter.
Understand your target audience by scanning community groups within your niche such as Facebook for trends of problem people are experiencing. This will guide your content creation.
Now, it's time to create valuable and engaging content that your audience will love. Use the value equation of Alex Hormozi to paint a clear picture of the value. The equation is made of 4 parts: the dream outcome you're promising, the perceived likelihood of achieving that outcome, the time it is likely to take to achieve that outcome, and the degree of effort required. Build a landing page for your site that is attractive and easy to navigate. Use free resources such as Card, which already has templates which you could use.
Connect your payment gateway. Gateways such as Stripe is free and reputable.
Set up different membership levels to allow you to cater to a wider audience and also expands your business model by charging fees for different types of content. Promote your site using free marketing channels to attract more members. Foster a sense of community among your members to increase engagement and retention. Offer exclusive benefits to your members to make them feel valued and appreciated. Lastly, continuously improve your site based on feedback and metrics to keep it relevant and successful. Congratulations! You now have the knowledge to build a thriving membership site. Remember to continuously improve your site based on feedback and metrics.